Now I'm gonna make the brown rice for this dish. And in my cupboard, I just had some long grain and some short grain, so I'm just kind of using it up and I'm doubling the recipe. So I have 4 cups of water, and I'm just gonna put some pinch of Himalayan pink salt. I don't use a whole lot of salt. I keep my rice in jars, and then I cut off the instructions when there's instructions on them. And then I save these little containers from other things, and I put them in my jars to keep things fresh. So I have 2 cups of brown rice. I'm just gonna bring that to a boil, cover it, and then cook it for 35 to 40 minutes on low. And then here is the rice. And I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil, and I'll cover it, put it on low. I'm starting it on high, then I'll turn it down to low, the lowest I can go. And I'll put the lid on it and do not open the lid. Keep it there for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, my brown rice is done. There it is. I'll just leave the lid on it and let it